afternoon po. Sa dami-rami po ng mga design and build po na company, bakit po ang Lady Designs po ang napili niyo po?
The keyword is professional. That's the only keyword. As a first time builder ng design and build, mahirap din to distinguish on your first meeting kung professional nga yung entity na ina-approach nyo. What makes me lock myself to Lay Design Studios is mainly because of the architect. Yun agad ang napansin ko nung ini-interview ko si Architect Tolitz. Oo. Sabi niya sa akin, hindi pa kasi ako sikat eh.
Actually, kayo nagpasikat sa amin, sir.
Hindi pa ako sikat. So, it took us a few days, only a short time. Okay. To evaluate him, okay, from the rest, okay, and then we decided, okay, we go for Lay Design Studios. My real advice is to go for reliable architects.
Yes, sir. Indeed, sir. Tama po.
Oo.
Sir, in 6 months naman po, sir, na ginagawa po ni architect ito, aside from Engineer Alicia and Engineer Jong, ano na po yung nakita niyong improvement sa bahay niyo po? Ano po yung expectation niyo na na-meet nila?
Was there any?
Yes, architect.
6 months is, as a client, you know, 6 months is still a long journey.
Yes.
Kumbaga, 6 months still a long journey. From groundbreaking, okay, then we have our initial design. Okay, initial design. And along the way, along our journey, okay, we had suggestions, we have, you know, we have discussions. Parang ganito yung one time we said, okay, parang medyo kulang pa yung
Medyo hilaw pa.
design.
Yes,
Okay. What architect will do is suggest. Okay.
Suggest and find solution.
Suggest and find solution.
Yes, indeed.
Not only that, you know, he finds time to make it visible. Binivisualize pa niya. Sabi namin, ganito pala to. Maganda, no? Maganda ka.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you po sa magandang inputs niyo po. Well, actually po, tanong ko naman po kay Architect. Architect, ngayon po na 6 months na po and how many months to go pa, ano pa po yung maibibigay natin kay client regarding dun sa design ng bahay niya? ano pa po yung mga dapat pang gawin. And payo na rin po sa mga gusto magpagawa ng bahay.
Thank you very much. Mapakagandang question po yan. Actually, ang pagbibuild po kasi ng bahay is hindi naman po natin masasabing perfecto talaga. It's a collective and mutual discussion, and along the way, nagbe-benefit po tayo pareho, natututo po tayo pareho. Luckily, do sa client po natin, kala Ma'am Rosana, kaya Sir Dennis, we've been very lucky to have them dahil sila po ang one of the best clients that we had so far on our 6 years of continuous instruction po. In this project, dito po kami nag-grow, dito po kami natuto, at dito pa po namin napakita yung mga kaya pa namin gawin dahil very open po sila sa aming suggestion at nakikinig naman po sila, and they really find time to find a professional na gagawa ng bahay para sa kanila. And yung bahay na po ito na ginawa namin, nagsilbi pong extra platform para mai-showcase na po namin yung mga kaya pa namin gawin. Kaya nagpapasalamat po kami sa kanila dahil sila po ang naging client namin.
Wow, thank you po, thank you po. And payo na rin po sa mga iba pang naghahanap ng legit na architect. Sino pong dapat hanapin?
Gaya po ng sinabi nila Sir Dennis at Ma'am Osang, always find the professional. Hindi lang po architect ang gumagawa ng bahay. Mayroon po diyang engineer, structural engineer. May mga allied engineers po tayo, like electrical engineer, surveyor, mechanical engineer. In this case, wala po. Pero may sanitary engineer. Lahat po yan, even interior designer po. Lahat po yan dapat magko-collaborate all together to come up with a solution para mas lalong gumanda po ang output. So always hire a professional, and don't think na nakapamahal kayo dahil mas mura nga naman kung wala namang architect. Di ba? Pero I don't know kung magiging happy kayo sa result. Let's comply with the law and the guidelines ng municipality para po hindi tayo magkaroon ng violation at saka mga penalties.